In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use tasks in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clear, well-organized task, link it to the right contact, and set reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. First, head to your Zoho CRM homepage. This is your central hub, and it's where we'll begin every time. Make sure you're signed in and that you have access to the Activities area, since tasks live there. From the homepage, open the Activities section. This is the place where calls, events, and tasks are grouped together. It helps you manage day-to-day work without jumping between modules. Inside Activities, choose Tasks. This brings up your task workspace, where you can view everything on your plate, filter what matters most, and create new to-dos. If your view looks different, that's fine. Zoho CRM supports list and Kanban styles, but the create process works the same. Now, create a new task. Click the Create Task button. A form opens, and this is where you'll define the essentials. Keeping these details clean and consistent makes your pipeline easier to manage and your reporting more reliable. Start with the subject field. Click into it and type a short, action-focused title. Aim for something specific and searchable, like Follow Up on Demo Request or Send Pricing Update. Keep it concise so it's easy to scan in lists and notifications. Next, set your due date. Click the due date field and pick when this task needs to be completed. If a time option is available, use it for time-sensitive tasks. It can help reminders arrive at a helpful moment rather than too early or too late. Choose a realistic deadline that reflects the work required, and remember that due dates often drive dashboards and reports, so accuracy matters. Add a related contact so the task is connected to a real person in your CRM. Click the contact field and select the right record. This association ensures your task shows up on that contact's timeline, keeps conversations in context, and helps your team see the full history with that person. If your process revolves around accounts or deals instead, you can still link the contact for visibility. Open the status dropdown and select the current state of the task. Common options include not started, in progress, completed, and deferred. Pick the one that best reflects where you're at today. Updating status as you work helps you and your team understand progress at a glance and keeps your views accurate. Set the priority next. Click priority and choose the appropriate level, often high, normal, or low. Think in terms of urgency and impact. High should be reserved for items that truly affect timelines or revenue, while normal and low help you pace the rest of your workload. If you'd like a nudge, turn on Reminder. Click Reminder and toggle it on. Choose a time that gives you enough lead time to act, whether that's the same day or a day before the due date. Reminders are perfect for follow-ups and time-bound tasks where timing really matters. Add more context in the description field. Click the description area and write any key details such as objectives, talking points, promised deliverables, or links to reference materials. Clear notes prevent back and forth later and help anyone else on your team understand what's expected and why. When everything looks good, click Save. This commits your task to the CRM so it shows up in your views, pipelines, and any automation that depends on it. Don't worry if you need to tweak something, you can always edit the task later. Finally, head back to Tasks to confirm it's there. You should now see your newly created task in your list or Kanban view. From here, you can sort, filter, or group your tasks to focus on what matters most and keep your day organized. That's it. You've created a task with a clear subject, due date, contact association, status, priority, and reminder, plus the context needed to get it done. Repeat this process for each follow-up, and you'll stay on top of your pipeline with confidence.